Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see how to convert HEIC format images to JPG or JPEG images within the iPhone without using any application. The process is pretty simple, and before starting with the converting things, I need to tell the new iPhone buyers, if you have recently purchased an iPhone, you have a choice to select whether to use Apple's own file formats for the pictures and videos that you take using the iPhone's camera, or you can change it to something standard. By navigating to settings, then camera, then going to formats, you can see the option by default will be selected under the camera capture will be high efficiency, which uses the Apple's own formats. Of course, the quality and everything will be good, the file size will be decent, but when you transfer those images and videos to Android or Windows computers, if they don't have a proper decoder, then the images cannot be opened on other devices. When you send it through applications similar to ShareIt, Zender or Snapdrop, about which we have already discussed in one of our episode, where you can use the web browser itself without installing any app, you can transfer any data from your iPhone to Android or Windows wirelessly. Do check that out. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. You may find it interesting. And when we select most compatible in the formats, the camera format section, the images that we capture hereafter will be stored as JPG file format, which will help you to view the image files without any file format issues or any requirements for softwares. Alright, without any delay, let's see how this converting process actually works. So in order to do the converting things after the older images that you have in your iPhone, if you want to convert either single image or batch image, all you have to do is select those images, click on the share sheet icon, and from the share sheet you need to click on the copy photos. Now navigate to files application, and there you have to tap on the on my iPhone option. So here your iPhone storage will be used for converting HEIC format files to JPG file, and I have already created a folder named JPG space image. So here you have to tap on the three dot on the top right corner, then you need to click on the new folder and type JPG in capital letters, then give space and then type images. So there inside the folder, simply long press on any area, an empty area, and then click on paste. Immediately all those three images that I have copied from the Photos app will be pasted here. As you can see that the image is already converted, while moving them from the HEIC file format to this particular JPG images folder, it automatically converts them to the JPG file format, which will be very easier for us to transfer hereafter with the help of any applications that we normally use for sharing the images to Android, Windows, Linux. You don't have to worry about the file format issues anymore. For more iPhone tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can search our channel to find some useful tips and tricks that we have already shared with our audience. If you are new here, thank you and have a wonderful day.